Hello, just bought this Dalco DBT SO1S or DBT SO2S. The instructions. What the instructions don't really explain too well is the adjustment. If the adjustment is wrong, your toilet seat will fall down by itself because it's too close to the bowl. It won't be back far enough. There's actually 3 adjustments on this. Now they give you these washers. They give you 2 sets of washers. One set is the hole in the middle, which is, I think, is the one you'd want to use because it would make it a little bit more sturdy. Equidistant from here to here is the same size. So try that one first, and if this is falling or it doesn't go back far enough, there's 2 other adjustments. The other adjustments are, you could have it like this. And as you can see, now instead of being in the middle, it's more this way, so it's further away from the back. So now, this is going to be further away. It's going to lean back more. Now, if that's too much, you can put this the other way. This. See the difference? Of course, you want both of them the same, but there. This is the 3rd adjustment. See how now this is closer this way. So you got this adjustment, you can put it in the middle, or you can put it there. So there's 3 adjustments. Trial and error to see which one works best for you. Good luck.